Solved chemistry MCQs of ETA medical test. In a given system, water and ice are in equilibrium. If pressure is applied to the system, then more ice is formed, more ice is melted, amount of ice and water will remain the same, none of the above. If we look at the question, here is water and ice and both are in equilibrium. So ice has more volume, water has less volume. By applying the pressure, equilibrium will shift in that direction which has less volume. It means ice will be shifted towards water, which means that ice will be melted. So the answer is B. Oxygen and hydrogen are at the same temperature T. The average kinetic energy of oxygen molecule will be 16 times as hydrogen, 4 times as hydrogen, equal to hydrogen 1 by 4 of kinetic energy of hydrogen. So we will solve it. The average kinetic energy of gas molecule has formula E is equal to 3 by 2 kT. Here 3 by 2 and K are constant, so we will get the kinetic energy is proportional to temperature. Here two gases are given, oxygen and hydrogen, so we will apply this formula to both of them, that is equal to E1 for oxygen, that is equal to T1, and E2 for hydrogen, that is equal to T2. Now according to the question, hydrogen and oxygen both are at the same temperature, so we will put T instead of T1 and T2 because the temperature is same. So here T divided by T will cancel out and we will get 1. So E1 divided by E2 is equal to 1, or we can say the E1 is equal to E2, which means that the average kinetic energy of oxygen is equal to average kinetic energy of hydrogen. So the answer is C, that is equal to hydrogen. Consider the reaction zinc metal, it will react with copper ion, it will produce zinc ion and copper. Which one of the following is correct statement with reference to the above? Zinc is reduced to zinc ion, zinc is oxidized to zinc ion, copper is oxidized to copper, zinc is oxidized to zinc metal. So we will solve it. Here the zinc is converted into zinc plus 2. The loss of electron is known as oxidation. It means the zinc is oxidized, and the copper from plus 2 is converted into copper 0 state or copper metallic form. So gain of electron is known as reduction. Here the loss of electron is take place, and here the gain of electron, that is known as reduction. So looking at these four options, zinc is oxidized to zinc plus 2, that is the correct answer. Methyl alcohol on oxidation with potassium dichromate gives formic acid, acetaldehyde, acetic acid, formaldehyde. We know that methyl alcohol, when oxidized, it will produce formic acid. First it will produce formaldehyde, then it will be converted into formic acid. Now potassium dichromate is an oxidizing agent. It will oxidize alcohol and it will convert primary alcohol to aldehyde, that is formaldehyde, and further it will be converted into formic acid. So here the generation is given, that is methyl alcohol, it will be converted into formic acid. Here the formic acid, formaldehyde, both options are given, so we will focus on the final product, that is formic acid. For more videos, please subscribe the channel.